Hey guys, Jay here. In this series, I'll be introducing you, the absolute beginner, to the Python programming language. Many people think that you have to be a genius to learn to program. At least, that's what I used to think. But I am here to say that if I can learn to do it, then you can learn to do it too. It may take hard work, but if you put in the time, you can learn to program. This series will focus on Python, but the topics and techniques I discuss will also apply to other programming languages. Python is a language that has recently been on an upward trend. Python is used from everything from simple scripting and artificial intelligence to data science, and Python can also be used on the web. According to many people, most of YouTube is powered by Python, although I can't personally vouch for the validity of this statement. Either way, Python is a popular programming language that can be used for many purposes. It's also said to be good for beginners to learn with, and in my opinion, one of the nicest things about Python is that it is super simple to install. And that is one of the main reasons I picked it for this beginner programming series. The first video in this series will be about downloading Python and running a simple script. The second video will be about variables such as strings, integers, floating point or decimal numbers, and Boolean or true-false values. The third video will be about simple input and output from the user. The fourth video will be about concatenation, which means combining words or letters, and math equations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The fifth video will be about functions, which are blocks of code that can be used multiple times by a program. The sixth video will be about comparison operators such as the equals, not equals, greater than, less than, which all return a true or false value. The seventh video will be about if-else statements. This is where we get into the core logic of programming. The eighth video will be about arrays. An array is a list of items or variables. For example, if you had to keep track of a list of people who RSVP'd for an event, you might store them in a list or array. The ninth video will be about loops. This is another core concept of programming. And the 10th and final video will be about libraries. Libraries are essentially collections of code that are built by others or yourself, and you can import them into your script and you can use them instead of having to code certain functions yourself. It can make doing complex things much easier because a lot of the code is already written for you. If this tutorial sounds like something you would be interested in watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload, and like the video so that more people will see it. I really appreciate it. As always, I will see you in the next video. I'm out.